In general, the first impression about human resource management or HR is payroll, performance management, personnel file, T&D, and admin work. But I am here to change the way you think about HR and take you on an exciting journey on how to become an HR professional. Anyone can be a HR manager, but to become a good HR leader, you should follow 3H. Hand, technical competency. Heart, people orientation with flexibility. Head, knowledge with strategic plan. I am Ishani Rambukwella, HR and risk management professional, corporate trainer, visiting lecturer, presenter, and a model.